Oh.
And a smooth F2L, even with those lockups, extremely efficient 573 from Felix. Well, Leo, who's been solving sub 6 so far today, sees something amazing on this scramble. Will he be able to take advantage of it better than Felix could? Felix seems to think so from his facial expression. Oh my goodness, what is that? So many lockups into a 490! A 490 from Leo, and it looked like a good scramble. Well, Felix is 573. He wasn't happy with it, and Leo showed why. Getting that sub 5. Wow. That was like a 2-second F2L there. And a tied set. Leo looking to take a commanding 4-0 lead in this match. Felix looking to mount a comeback here. Wow, Leo's F2L is crazy! A 474! Back-to-back fours! This guy is out! What? What?
562 AO12, oh my god.
What is this? That F2L was flawless!
Oh.
Literally perfect on every solve! Felix has beaten a 474 once before. Can he do it again?
Not so good.
Yeah, it's not there for Felix. Just could not find the insane efficiency that Leo found. And Leo gonna take a 2-1 lead in this set, looking to take a 4-0 lead in this match. Well, this is set point. And Leo is actually... What?
Scramble.
Oh, Felix found it.
Right. 15, 1. Seconds. 12.
In the story we've seen all day, Felix just locking up through slightly inefficient solutions. And let's see if Leo can beat a 704 here to take the 4th set and putting himself in commanding position. And we're out for that sub 5 average watch here. Leo has gotten 2 sub 5s in a row. Might be looking to continue that streak, but only needs to beat a 704, so what will he decide to do here? Oh, that last pair was nice, and a 558!
2-minute break.
Leo takes Leo takes a 4-0 lead in this match, having won 12 out of the 13 solves so far, making a quick one out of this.
Seconds. 12.
Some great efficiency from Felix, but his turning is just not great. And a 655. Well, if Leo solves anything like he's been solving so far, this will be an easy win. Especially if he can find the efficiency that Felix found. Felix will be praying that Leo somehow doesn't get a sub 655 here. What? Oh, a lockup! And safetying the last layer, a terrible end perm case. But that F12 was again, like, mid-2. Making 569s look like terrible solves.
Correct.
Yep.
And that was a 636, so that's what it looks like when Leo messes up horribly. But still a great time. And, well, Felix is going to have to take advantage of any opportunity he can get, and this is certainly one of those opportunities.
12.
Ooh.
Smooth and a 608! Felix nicely safetying that 608. A very smooth F2L, not lucking up nearly as much as he had in previous solves, and evening up the set.